While a mere toaster can handle pretty much only sliced bread, or maybe a bagel, a toaster oven is a much more versatile tool. This countertop appliance can also be used to make a batch of chocolate chip cookies, roast vegetables, heat frozen snacks, broil meat and seafood, bake a whole chicken, and melt cheese on mini pizzas or open-faced sandwiches. Many models even offer additional functions like dehydrating, convection baking, and air frying. Most are more energy efficient than a standard oven, too, which can help cut costs and keep the kitchen cooler during hot summer months. There are numerous options for cheap toaster ovens, each with unique features, advantages, and costs. I conducted a ton of research, read a ton of reviews, and put up a list of the top affordable toaster ovens from trustworthy manufacturers to help you make an informed choice. Following extensive investigation, I discovered that these products are quite beneficial for persons like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. KitchenAid KCO211BM Digital Countertop Toaster Oven. With this oven's performance plus, the famed KitchenAid brand name The Lab did not expect its price to be so reasonable. It toasted a single slice to evenly brown perfection in less than 2 minutes, and 6 slices with plenty of space between them in less than 4 minutes. A half dozen cookies baked beautifully and evenly, and broiling evenly melted a slice of cheese, toasting the bread beneath without burning either one. The large LED display and 9 built-in functions were easy to use, especially paired with the extremely detailed and thorough instruction manual. If there were any issues with this model, it was that the temperature control was a little off. At the highest setting of 450 degrees, it only managed to get to 432 on our oven thermometer. The oven's internal thermometer said it was preheated after 4 minutes, at 315 degrees by our measurement. And when toasting 6 slices at once, the pieces closest to the back corners of the machine were a bit lighter than the rest. None of this was serious enough to really interfere with cooking, though. Our tester called it probably the most consistent of the toasts that I have tested. They actually would recommend setting your toast doneness a little lighter than you're looking for to avoid overcooking. When it comes to cleanup, the KitchenAid makes things pretty easy. The non-stick rack, baking pan, and drip crumb tray at the bottom are all removable and dishwasher safe. Hand washing is recommended, however. You can use only a damp cloth to wipe the inside of the oven itself, but it also has a non-stick coating, very helpful for removing the occasional spatter or burn mark. Number 2. Black+Decker 4-Slice Toaster Oven. This Spartan toaster might not have a lot of bells and whistles, but it's quite affordable and performed extremely well at the exact thing that's in its name. Toasting 4 slices of bread. This is pretty much exactly what you want a toaster to do, said our tester. Very even browning. Its small capacity makes the whole unit quite compact, though it has space for a 9-inch pizza, with a pizza oven-like domed shape to help it cook hot and evenly. The controls on this toaster are very simple, which is to say they probably haven't changed much since the 1980s. There are 3 knobs. One for temperature, one for a 30-minute timer toast color selector, and one for cooking mode, bake, broil, toast, or keep warm. That doesn't affect performance, though, as our lab tests got impressive, even results with toast, cookies, and broiled cheese on toast. Cleaning is also easy, with removable racks and crumb trays. The Black+Decker heated up really quickly in our tests, but the secret behind that seems to be that it cranks the heat really high, and then lets it cool down to the target temperature. It hit 572 degrees after 5 minutes when set at 450, but then kept the temperature pretty consistent once it got back to 450. Your best bet might be to let it preheat completely before putting anything inside. Number 3. Instant Omni Plus Air Fryer Toaster Oven. There are lots of toaster oven models with air fryer capacity, but the Instant Omni Plus goes way past that, with settings for dehydrating, baking, roasting, and even a built-in rotating rotisserie for kebabs, a whole chicken, pork tenderloin, and more. Despite all those capabilities, the controls are foolproof, with a bright display and simple dial that our tester found easy to use, without even needing to refer to the instruction manual. The 19-core capacity of this oven will fit a 4-pound chicken in rotisserie mode, and we had no trouble toasting 6 slices of bread, baking 9 cookies, or air frying a full bag of French fries at once. Even with that large size, it heated up quickly, reaching 450 degrees within 7 minutes, and fully toasting bread in 5. It held its temperature accurately and cooked fairly evenly, though we did notice a bit of a hot spot toward the front middle of the oven. The Omni Plus is on the pricey side as toaster ovens go, but all those capabilities make it worthwhile, especially for a larger family that goes through a lot of bread, chicken, or French fries. Number 4. Breville BOV800XL Smart Oven. Part of what makes Breville Smart Oven smart are its 5 separate quartz heating elements, which are controlled independently to make sure the interior heats evenly and consistently. That was impressively demonstrated in our temperature tests, when the oven stayed solidly within a degree or 2 of the set temperature after preheating. That's much harder to do in a countertop oven than in a heavily insulated wall or under range oven. It's also capacious, able to fit a half dozen cookies or slices of bread, a 13-inch pizza, or an entire chicken. With really simple built-in settings and a large clear screen for using them, this smart oven model might be a perfect choice for a beginning baker or person just moving out on their own. You tell it what and how much you're cooking, and it takes care of the rest. Using the cookie and toast settings, it baked delicious cookies and toasted 6 slices of bread to excellent brownness, but we did find that both items were slightly lighter in color around the edges of the machine. The heating elements don't extend all the way to the walls of the oven, which is probably why. An annoyingly missing function is that you can't simply choose a temperature and time, you have to use one of the presets. That said, the instructions do lay out what times and temperatures each setting uses. In terms of ease of cleaning, this model falls in the middle. The racks, pans, and crumb tray are removable but not dishwasher safe, and you can't use a scouring pad or abrasive cleaner on stubborn bits without damaging the finish. Number 5. Ninja SP101 Digital Air Fry Countertop Oven. Maybe you're in charge of French fries for a large household with a small kitchen. Maybe you're running an underground avocado toast restaurant. Maybe you just have really low set cabinets. No matter why you need lots of cooking capacity crammed into an efficient space, this Ninja might be the model for you. The wide but flat toaster was made to flip up on its side when not in use, so it can tuck away in a corner, cabinet, or even sink backsplash or drawer. That unique layout didn't interfere with performance in our lab tests, where it was able to bake 9 cookies and toast 9 slices of bread in short order. Ninja also says the oven can fit a 13-inch pizza or 6 chicken breasts. Our tester did find some uneven spots in the toast test, with the front of the oven being the hottest and the back corner being the coolest. They also noted that the preset modes tended to cook things a little longer than necessary, so keep an eye on your breads. As an air fryer, the Ninja impressed with its power, cooking fries to an even and thorough crispness. Its many cooking options even included dehydrate mode, something that's uncommon in the toasters we tested. In addition to a removable crumb tray, this oven's tilting design makes it possible to clean the machine extremely thoroughly. The back panel opens up to easily access the entire interior. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. To get more information or if you want to know product price, please check my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below to help you further. Life is short, so enjoy every bit of your life with our cool products, as it's going to make your life much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great day.